Sorry. Yeah. We go on the cave entrance right now. That's how we do. We're gonna see what this cave's all about. We took like a 20-minute boat ride, which I couldn't put on film because my camera was in the bag. But yep. Yeah. Is it the lens?
No, it's the
screen.
The screen.
Yeah. Yo, we got the hard hats on. We got the vest on.
Picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more.
Ito kuya.
It's right there, look. Uh-oh. We moving, yo. We moving straight up.
Sir?
This is it.
Ayaw
na doon. Nasa likod ng pangalan.
We going in the caves. We're going in the caves. Shh.
Inside the cave, up to 1.5 kilometers. Within 45 minutes, back and forth, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, for the first time to come here, ma'am, sir?
First time.
Yep.
May second time na ba? Dati na nakapasok? Wala pa? Lahat kayo first time, ma'am, sir?
Yes.
Pero do you have an idea about the cave, ma'am? May makikita dito sa loob, like na first time, ma'am?
So, bigyan na kami dito.
Bali, ayan, sa the cave, I can see the bags, birds. Ako yung mga permissions pa, around 6:30 in the evening, deploy out altogether to find a place outside of the cave. Then before mag-6 ng umaga, babalik sila dito para mag-inan. Pwede naman sila mag-aaral. Yung dito yung pinakamalalim, no? The deepest part is here. The deepest na 27 meters po. 9 meters. Okay, good morning again, ma'am. First, the night is over na. Wake up. Nakatulog na. Okay. Salamat po sa may hawak ng ilaw. Kumusta po? Nabisman niyo po ba yung cave, ma'am, sir? Hindi pa kaya? Sana po tulungan natin na suportahan po yung underground river. Laban po sa binabalawin sa 7 wonders. 7 new wonders sa river. Kasi ito po yung kalilig ng Pilipinas para sa mga para makapaglagin po sa internet, pwede naman kayo mag-post. Visit lang po kayo sa website na www.new7wonders.com. Malalaman nyo, sir, pagdating ng 20...
Crazy, right? The caves.
Ito yung sa right side po, nandito yung outlet ng river, gawin ko doon. river po is connected to the ocean, then during high tide po, doon na rin dumadaan yung salt water to pa. Yung water po dito, brackish. Hello!
Tapos po ma'am, nakakabay kayo, 4 na. Wala naman kayong plan. Kasama yung lunch natin. One of the islands na island.
Are those pigs up there? Pigs and goats? We gonna find out.